How to take beautiful photos with only one strobe. In this video, I show you how to take beautiful photos with only one strobe and without using a softbox. I will try various ways of applying the strobe. This time, I will use only one strobe, the Godox 8200. First, let's take a photo without using a strobe, using only steady light. The exposure is underexposed, and the whole image looks muddy. The colors are muddy and do not look good. Next, I use the Godox 8200 and aim it directly at the person in front of the camera. Since it is a direct strobe, the light is hard and the shadows are clear. This is not the kind of light that makes a woman look beautiful. This time, try bouncing the strobe closer to the ceiling in the upper left. This image is based on actual light from the sky. The strobe is close to the ceiling, so the light is a little hard. In this case, I want to soften the light because I want a fluffier image. So I move the strobe slightly away from the ceiling and make it a ceiling bounce in the same way. The light from diagonally above is now a little softer. As the strobe moves away from the bouncing object, the light becomes a little softer. Next, I want to create an image that looks like evening light, so I bounce it off the right wall to create side light. The dried flowers are in the way. The light was a little lower than I wanted, so it was a little upper light, but it had a nice three-dimensional effect. I want to change the direction of the light, so I try bouncing onto the left wall. This also looks good with short lighting and soft light from the side. However, the dried flowers in the foreground seems a little dark. Finally, I bounce the strobe to the back left wall to make it seem backlit. Then I press the reflector board in front of the left to reflect the light onto the person. The light is soft and very beautiful. The light is all around. However, the shadow on the right is a little dark. So I will also place the reflector board in front of the right side and turn the light around. The shadows are now brighter and making them even more beautiful and attractive. You can take such beautiful photos with just one strobe. Try changing the way you apply the strobe to suit your purpose. I really like sim backlighting.